one of the kinds of experiments that neuroscientists do, and this is a demonstration that I showed in Delhi, and this is what we call the attentional blink, which is an experience that people have very often where something might occur in the environment and they're simply not aware of it, and it's as if their mind was not paying attention. Their mind was fixated on one thing and they were unable, therefore, to see another thing. This is an occurrence which happens a lot, and the reason why neuroscientists have become so interested in this, particularly those who are interested in the dialogue with Buddhism, is because one of the hypotheses or one of the invitations from the Buddhist tradition that we've learned is that some of these qualities that neuroscientists have studied may not necessarily be obligatory properties of the nervous system. They may be potentially trainable. That is, we may be able to actually enhance our attention in ways which allow us to see things that many people may not necessarily see. So in the attentional blink, and we can actually do this little experiment, if everyone just looks at this cross, and I will be showing a series of letters and numbers, and just pay attention to the numbers, and I'll ask which numbers that you saw. Was the number 1 presented? How many people saw the number 1? Number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So what was actually shown is
saying that he saw the 3 very easily, just because, perhaps because he had already seen this in Delhi.
That's cheating.
So he's always wondering whether, because of that anticipation.
Yes, it plays an important role.
So memory also a role?
Yes, it does play a role. Yes, absolutely. But it is a little more difficult for most people to see the 7. So the way this worked is I presented a series of letters, then the number 3 occurred, and then there were 1 or 2 letters, and then again the number 7. People get so excited about seeing the 3 that they fail to see the 7 very often. So it turns out that 3 months of Vipassana meditation practice improves a person's ability to see the second number, to see the number 7. So we know this has been an important observation because it teaches us that, in contrast to what neuroscientists first thought, which is that this is an obligatory property of the nervous system, that the nervous system goes into some refractory mode, meaning that it's taking a rest. After seeing that first number, it kind of shuts down to restore itself. Then it can see the next number. What this observation suggests is that these are, at least to some extent, malleable. They're plastic. They can undergo change through training.